Welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video we're going to be installing my Airtec Stage 3 intercooler. What are you doing? As you can see, I've got someone taking over my car, jacking it up for some reason. Don't really know why. Bit of a weird guy, don't even know who it is. But yeah, in all seriousness, what we're doing is jacking up the car because we're going to have to remove the front bumper. I'm actually really excited to do something like this because I've never done anything like this before. So it's going to be quite challenging, it's going to be quite cool, but we'll see. I've got the expert as always, knows what he's doing. He's done it on his ST, so I'm not going to be completely clueless of what to do. Just pop the bonnet, ugh, needs a hoover. Oh, cheeky McDonald's wrapper. Let's reveal the beauty. Do, 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 do. Oosh. Oh, I hate bonnet vents. I hate them. I want to get rid of them. Anyone's got any standard bonnets, let me know. Right, so the first thing we need to do is remove both headlights. Obviously, as I've got the engine bay dress up kit, it's now crossheads. So we'll remove all these eventually as we go along. Got the headlights out, both sides. What we're going to undo is this one, and this one, and this one next. So let's crack on and do that. Right guys, what you need to bear in mind is that I've got the halo lights, so obviously we've got to be careful when we're taking this off with the wiring. We're not too sure if it's going to be easy just to disconnect it from the battery and take the whole lot off or whatnot. We're going to investigate when we get there. So the next step is these ones, which hopefully, I'm hoping we might be able to sort the bumper sag out while we're there, but probably not, probably make it worse, but we'll see. Right, so we've made the decision that we're just going to take the straight wires off so then the whole lot can come off together instead of having to mess around with obviously all the wiring for the halo lights. So that's exactly what we're doing now. That fog light's already unplugged. I need to unplug that fog light that side. So obviously make sure each fog light is disconnected and then take off a few bolts and we're going to be there, boys. Are you excited, Seb? Yeah. Yeah, of course he is. He loves it. Do you see what I mean, guys? So now it's going to be easier. Now we're taking this all off, it will just come off all together. It's just safe risking breaking anything on the way, because obviously these are pretty cool, so we don't really want to damage them at all. Right, so we're using a 10-bit, and oh my god, he's got a long one. He's using a flexi one. Look at this, bro. This guy knows what he's doing. So you've got 3 of these each side. I'll just sort of show you on the other side where he takes them out. So you've got one there, if it's going to focus. Another one there, but going the other way, so going upwards, and then another one that goes down. So you've got 3 each side that you have to remove. So we've got T30 bits there that need to come out. There's 1, 2, 3, and then one up here, I think at 4. They need to come out as well off your wheel liner, so they need to come out as well to get this bumper off. As this smart little cookie pointed out, there's some like little popper things where you can get like a flathead or trim remover tool and just pop it out. So we're going to do that both sides.
Yeah, both sides.
I fucking lost it now. Oh, there it is. The bumper is off. So I'm not really too sure what we've got to do next. So I'll find out from the expert and I'll tell you all. Right, so the next bit is to take the plastics off. So we've got to undo this. We've got to undo this side, which takes that bit off. We've got to undo, what other bit's this bit?
This one. Pop this top plastic off, which makes it easy to drill 2 holes in there, which you need to drill 2 holes in.
And then we get rid of this, don't we?
Yeah, don't need that.
Cool, let's crack on then, shall we? So here's my poor, lonely intercooler. It's mad. That is going to be replaced with like all of that. It's crazy, the size difference. So apparently there's 3 under there that we have to take out as well.
1 there, 1 in the middle, and 1 there.
Don't panic, we wondered what the fuck that was as well, that's on the floor, but it's water. It's come off from there, it's run down. Joy's having shitty bonnet vents. So we're taking these little 2 out this side as well, and then this comes unpopped. As you can see, I think it's actually snapped off by the looks of it.
2 Jubilee clips. on your pipes.
The pipes. Just there. I will eventually upgrade all these pipes anyway because they're not very great, but they'll do for now. Look at him go. He's going for it. Go on, boy. So right, we've loosened the Jubilee clips, as you can see. We've got a couple of 8mm, did you say? Yeah. 8mm underneath it we have to undo. And it's just the old intercooler comes off. Then we can take all this shit off as well. Right, so this bit's out popped. We don't need this anymore, so throw that over there. And let's get this off. So it is the old one off. It's absolutely battered. Uh-oh. Boom, boys, look at this. So obviously we've literally just reversed what we did. Put the new intercooler on, and now what we're going to do is that we get one of these brackets, and then we've basically got to drill 2 small holes around about here. That will obviously bolt together to hold it, and that one goes into there, like so. Just make sure when you're drilling, you don't drill into your bloody radiator, because you'll be in all sorts of problems. He's a boss. God, it fucking stinks. It smells like peanuts. Fucking hell.
It does actually smell like peanuts.
So we've got the bracket on. Just tighten it all up. Right, guys. So, like I say, this is... I'm not going to show you how to install it. We're just installing it. Talk through. And sort of explain on the way. Literally just reverse what you did to put it all back together. We couldn't film because it actually went pitch black and we was in a rush to get this done. But here she is. Now the stage 3 Airtec intercooler on my Fiesta ST. Getting it ready for some little surprises that's going to happen to it, which I'm very, very much looking forward to. So guys, I'm just editing the last little bit of this install video for the intercooler, the Airtec intercooler. And I've noticed it is a little bit chopped up and the audio's got a bit funny on it. But I'm still going to publish it for you guys because as you all understand, like I said in the video, is that we don't show you how to install. We're just installing it and just doing it, winging it, hope for the best, learning along the way. There's not actually a clip of me putting the bumper back on because as I explained in the video, it gets absolutely pitch black and, you know, it's impossible to see. So and there's no way I could try and put this on in the dark and try and film. It just was not like easy to do. So I hope you all enjoyed this video. I know some people are going to be a bit disappointed because they didn't see it all in reverse, but you just literally any questions, message me on Instagram blue_st180 or just comment on the video and I'm happy to help you all. That's what we're all here to do. We're all here to help each other. So as always guys, please ensure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to watch my future content, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care guys.